Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Pneumatic vacuum cleaner. Despite being commonly known for their amusing design, the pneumatic range of machines are also a popular choice for cleaning professionals. Also known as the Henry Hoover, the pneumatic vacuum cleaner has a compact and lightweight design that can easily be transported around various rooms.
Let's help you make your mark.
8 years. First, how long should you expect a vacuum cleaner to last? On average, according to Consumer Reports, vacuum cleaners last a median of 8 years. But the lifespan varies wildly by not only brand but your own personal use.
Make your mark, take our lead.
The Shark Navigator Lift-Away NV352 has been our pick for the best vacuum for 7 years running, and it's a great vacuum for hardwood floors and carpets alike. Its powerful suction cleans both surfaces very well, and smart design features let you easily optimize its performance on each.
Take our lead.
The Vytronix BCS01 does have an excellent battery life, especially when you take into account how cheap it is. When you are using the regular power mode, you can expect a good 60 minutes of running time. In the max setting, you are looking at closer to 30, which is still an excellent number for such a budget model.
Take our lead.
The Shark Vertex Duo Clean is the most powerful cordless vacuum within Shark's lineup as of January 2021. The runtime is now at an impressive 60 minutes, equivalent to Dyson's most high-end cordless vacuums.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.